Listen to me. This shebang is costing me $10,000 an hour. That is $166.66 per minute. I don't have a minute. I cannot afford a minute. Basil, these lights are adjusted. Is everything ready?
1 minute.
Another minute. That's $166.66. We're not going to have me bankrupt. Listen to me. You adjusted the color on these cameras.
Everything all right, sir.
Good, good. Brenda! Where is Brenda? Where is Brenda with all the props, man?
Just leave them from yesterday.
All right, good, good. Now let's have your attention, please, everybody. Attention! Quiet! I said quiet, please! Oxman. Good. Now, I just want to tell you that this is basically a very simple, everyday, 30-second dog food commercial. Makeup? Come in. Thank you, my love. Monica, take some still photographs of the set or something. Don't just stand there, please, please. All right, as I was saying, this is a simple, everyday, 30-second dog food commercial. So let's keep it that way. Simple. Good. Now, where are the dogs? I said, where are the stupid dogs?
Are you in my talk? No,
Shy dog. You two dogs just understand what I said.
Me not answering at you.
It's all right, man. Just cooperate. After this, you'll be $600 richer.
Butch.
Are you that?
No, sir. Most you.
Butch is the bulldog. That's you. And Mitch is the mongrel. That's you. Now, Butch.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You ever hear a dog say, yes, sir? Get into character, man. Say, bow. All right, Mitch, are you fidgeting?
You know, must have dog flea.
Now, Butch, listen. You are the top dog. You are the star. Now, the plot is very, very, very simple. You, Butch, are in front of your kennel eating the inferior dog food. When Mitch, come over here. You enter from over here and you bully Butch and take away his food. All right? Now, the next day, Butch is eating Blow Wow dog food. And Mitch comes in again. He tries to bully Butch, but Butch is not having any of this. And he beats up Mitch. And Mitch runs off with his tail between his legs. All right? Good. Let's go, everybody.
All right, sir.
Excuse me. May I make a suggestion?
What, Mitch?
I don't like the part where Butch beat up Mitch. And I
think Mitch?
Is a good plot. I like it.
We are not paying you $1,000 each to think. We're paying you to be dogs.
$1,000 each?
It's all right, man. Forget it. Forget it.
Come here, Mr. Mitch. I have to talk to you. No, listen.
Are there any more questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes, Butch.
We have any lines in the script?
Lines?
You stupidity. What kind of line dog can have?
I'm not talking to you. I will deal with you later. Now, excuse me, Mr. Manager.
Director.
Oh, yes. Excuse me, Mr. Director. But we're going to get some time for rehearsal, sir.
Butch would like to have some rehearsals at $166.66 a minute.
Hey, Chucky, why not that feel for rehearse?
Shut your mouth. I'm not talking to you, mongrel.
It's all right, yeah, Mr. Director. We're going to go right tonight for you.
All right, positions, please, everybody. Now, this is a walkthrough, but the camera will be running. All right, so good. Positions.
Where me must go?
You'll be down here by the kennel, and you'll be eating the dog. Cecil, where is the inferior dog food, man?
Here.
All right, good. Now, Butch, you're going to be eating this inferior dog food. Oh, Patrick, I hate this script. This script is terrible, man! All right, come, positions. Down on all fours, Butch.
You ever see a dog on 2 foot yet?
Under you. Down, Butch. All right, now, eat dog food. Ignore the cameras. Just eat up. Go. No, man. I need to hear sounds.
Sounds? After me not get no script. What kind of sound you want?
Slurping sounds, man.
You know how dogs sound when they might eat?
After me never done with no dog yet.
Concentrate. Come, let's go.
Just every normal eat up Butch. Perfect dog. Bag your tail now.
All right, concentrate.
Bring a big man like me to come star as dog. You will tell this done.
If you can't star us, go, you know, can't star us, dog.
Try again, Butch. Come, try again. Keep in character.
That's it, keep in character. You look like Lassie.
You want to see, I went. You see,
Please. At $166.66, please try and concentrate.
but you know why you stop and I'm here, sir.
Behave yourself, please.
What's wrong with you, man? You can't have. How did the car come down here for?
All right, listen. We're gonna go for a take. This is Blow Wow dog food commercial. Take 1 and action. Cut! Oh, these amateurs! Mitch, listen to me. You're coming up to another dog in a threatening manner. Oh man, I need professionals!
Suppose no that macho dog.
The commercial does not call for a macho dog, it calls for an aggressive dog.
Holy idiot. Macho dog. What's your dog, you look?
Not you, Lassie.
Me a pedigree, me no mongrel.
Aggressive. Okay? Now let's do it again. Positions, please. Blow Wow dog food commercial. 2, take 1, 2, and action. Cut!
What no?
Butch,
No, man.
you are eating your dog food, and another dog comes up to you in a threatening manner. What would you do?
I don't know, you know, sir, because it's the first time I'm going to eat dog food. It's not something that I do regular.
Bro, Snob, get into the role, man.
Growl. Snarl.
But
Master, you sound like when I stand dog.
But after you now do better.
please, just the two of you. Will you just growl and snarl? 1, and action. Blow Wow dog food commercial. Take 51. Action.
Yes, Mr. Macho. It's long time I've been waiting for this moment. Hector, every day you come over here and I bully me over me food. It's like,
Keep in character. Keep in character. Dog noises, dog sounds.
You know you're director to your field court.
I cut you too. And that time I go
Why?
come over and hurt in the morning.
Why?
I come from the before your life.
It's alright. Get the dog food. We don't matter what you get. You can't have me, we don't want.
You come from
Dog sounds. Dog sounds.
If you reach here to be a world here.
We never read it.
Come on here, your mom.
What?
Your mommy. Let me kill you now.
Keep in character, man. Keep
Yes,
in
man.
character.
I'm about to. Never star as that.
Poor dog sounds.
You know why it's all famous like Michael Jackson monkey.
Why?
Why?
How much money them a pay you?
They don't even go.